On continuation of Independence Day celebration, our school organized 7th and 8th graduation day. The kindergarten graduation day ceremony commemorates the precious moments of the little ones and offers an opportunity to celebrate the culmination of their preschool years and the beginning of new experiences to come. Indeed, it was an event to be remembered by teachers, parents, and little graduates for a long time. This day serves as a platform for many kids to shed their inhibition and take the front stage to perform and make the parents proud.
A kindergarten graduation is such a special moment in the life of a child. It explores learning in their first grade. It also explores new ideas and things and shaping themselves into tomorrow's leader. I welcome you all for our school's preschool graduation ceremony. Now let us stand up for the prayer song.
We love our school. We love our school. We love our teachers. We love our teachers. You are the guardian. You are the protector. Let's pray to the PKN Vidyalaya school. Let's pray to the PKN Vidyalaya school. You are the shining storehouse of knowledge. Give us, O Mother, glorious wisdom. You are the shining storehouse of knowledge. Give us, O Mother, glorious wisdom. Let your ignorant children to a bright future for an eternal victory in our life. Let's pray to the PKN Vidyalaya school. Let's pray to the PKN Vidyalaya school. Oh, come on, brothers. Oh, come on, sisters. Let's pray. Let's join our hands and cooperate. We love our school. We love our teachers. You are the guardian. You are the protector. Let's pray to the PKN Vidyalaya school. Let's pray to the PKN Vidyalaya school. Let's pray to the PKN Vidyalaya school.
Now I request all our dignitaries to come forward for lighting the lamp ceremony.
Now, our school smart tracking kids enter into the celebration hall. At first, 2020 batch students enters and following to them 2021 batch students enter. Their presence made the stage colorful.
To come forward for lighting the lamp ceremony.
I request President Mr. P.V. Parthasarathy Nadar sir, President of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee, for lighting the first wig of a lamp. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Mr. N. Pumandalam Nadar, sir, Secretary of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee, for lighting the next wig of a lamp. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Mr. R. Dhanabalan Nadar, sir, Treasurer of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee, for lighting the wig of a lamp. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our treasurer, Mr. M.M. Mohan Nadar, sir, for lighting the lamp. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our principal, Mr. K. Karunya Chandrakala, ma'am, for lighting the lamp. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now I call our school prefect S. Sashmita Shri from grade 6 to give a welcome speech.
Good morning to all. A small cheer and great welcome make a merry feast. I am extremely pleased to have this opportunity to welcome you all at this important moment for celebrating our PKN Vidyalaya's 7th and 8th graduation day. It's an honor for me to deliver my welcome speech with immense pleasure on behalf of my school. I welcome Mr. P.V. Parthasarathy Nada, sir, President of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee. Welcome, sir. Mr. N. Poomandalam Nada, sir, Secretary of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee. Welcome, sir. Mr. R. Dhanabala Nada, sir, Treasurer of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee. Welcome, sir. Mr. P.T.N.A. Ashok Kumar Nada, sir, Secretary of PKN Vidyalaya School Committee. Welcome, sir. Mr. M.N. Mohan Nada, sir, Treasurer of PKN Vidyalaya School Committee. Welcome, sir. And I welcome our school directors and members, parents, teachers, non-teaching staffs, and not but not least, our smart kids. I welcome one and all. Thank you.
Time to honor our chief guests.
Our Secretary Thiru P.T.N.A. Ashok Kumar Nadar, sir, to honor President Mr. P.V. Parthasarathy Nadar, sir, President of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee. Next, I would like to request our Secretary Thiru P.T.N.A. Ashok Kumar Nadar, sir, to honor Mr. M. Poomandalam Nadar, sir, Secretary of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request our Secretary Thiru P.T.N.A. Ashok Kumar Nadar, sir, to honor Mr. R. Dhanabala Nadar, sir, Treasurer of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee. Thank you, sir.
Now I request our school secretary Thiru P.T.N.A. Ashok Kumar Nada, sir, to declare 7th and 8th graduation ceremony.
Here, now I declare the ceremony for the graduation. Yes, thank you.
Now, our school staff, Ms. J. Deepalakshmi, who handled these bad students in previous years, gave a motivational speech to the students. She congrats the kids for their further journey and also appreciates all the staff members who handled our smart tracking kids.
Good morning to everyone. I am very glad to welcome you all for participating in our school 7th and 8th graduation day. Congratulations, my dear students, for completing your kindergarten graduation. I would like to congratulate my KG teachers.
She thanked Ms. Deepalakshmi for her motivational speech and also invites our students to give a wonderful dance performance.
little wonders to stand for oath. Sana Parvin ma'am for oath taking for UKG 2020 batch students.
Oath taking. I pledge to show my respect by listening to others. I am in school to learn. I am learn so I can succeed. I follow my teachers. I will say only kind things about others. I will do my very best. Thank you.
Now I invite our President Thiru P.V. Parthasarathi Nada sir, President of PKN Vidyasala Sangam Committee, to give diplomas for present grade 2 students.
Shy. He is active and talented boy. He is very much interested in drawing. He won prizes in drawing competition.
Now, our present grade 2 students came forward for receiving their diplomas and gift. Here comes V. Dakshesh Shai, present second grade student, to receive his diploma. He is active and talented boy. He is very much interested in drawing. He won prizes in drawing competition. Second, here comes S. Dashwant. He is very talented boy. He is willingly participated in many competitions and he won prizes on clay modeling and picture collection competition. Here comes Jai Ganesh. He is very active as well as talented boy. He willingly answers to the question what the teacher asks. Here comes G. Monish. He is calm as well as talented boy. He won prizes in fancy dress competitions. Here comes T. Rahul Pandi. He is very talented boy. He studies well and active during online classes. He won prizes on picture collection competition. Here comes St. Sanjay Aravind. He willingly participated in all the competitions whether he won prizes or not. He is such a talented boy. He won prizes on clay modeling, fancy dress and drawing competition and etc. Here comes N. Sri Shabarish. He studies well. He won first prize in paper flower making competition. Here comes M. Sukran. He is an active boy. He studies well. He willingly participated in all the competitions. Here comes G. Monishka. She is such a talented girl and an active girl. She won prizes in fancy dress competition and flower making competition. Here comes B. Nishalini. She is such a talented girl. She won prizes in clay modeling and picture collection competition. Here comes P. Sai Prabha. She is very active girl and she studies well. She often asks questions during the online class and rectify her doubts. Here comes K. Sri Vaishnavi. She is a talented girl. She willingly participated in all the competitions. Here comes V. Visitra. She is very good and active girl. She obeys the teacher's words. She won prizes in clay modeling. Here comes V. Viveka. She is very active and talented girl. Her handwriting is so nice. She won prize in paper flower making competition. Next, our present grade 1 students came forward for receiving their diplomas and gift. First, here comes Adivendan. He is very sport-minded boy. He is excellent in studies. He willingly participated in all the competitions. Here comes K. Bharat. He is very clever and active boy. He actively participated in many competitions enthusiastically. He got the following prizes in online competition: fancy dress competition, model making competition, and clay modeling. Here comes Dhanvant. He is very good student. He obeys what the teacher says. He studies well and willingly participated in all the competitions. Here comes S. Nidin Kumar. He is very calm boy. He is excellent in his studies. He won 3rd prize in Sloham telling competition. Here comes S. Rakshan. He is very active in classroom. He is good in his studies. He participated many competitions enthusiastically and he won prizes on fancy dress and clay modeling competition. Here comes P. Sharvin. He is very talented boy and he is good in his studies. He also interested in extracurricular activities. Here comes G. Vikram Durai. He is very active boy in the class. He willingly answers to the question what the teacher asked and his handwriting was so nice. Here comes P. Dino Ashraya. She is very active and talented girl. She willingly participated in all the competition. She won 1st prize on clay modeling. She is very good in She is very good in her studies also. Next, here comes J. Emily Grace. She is very active girl. She is good in her studies. She won 1st prize on singing with action competition. Here comes R. Kanisha Shri. She is very calm girl. She is very much interested in extracurricular activities. Here comes S. Riya. She is very Here comes S. Riya. She is very active and talented girl. She willingly participated in all the competition and won prizes on fancy dress and slogan telling competition. Here comes M. Sahana Shri. She is very talented girl and she also willingly participated in all the competition and won prizes in singing competition. Here comes P. Sashini. She is very talented and active girl in the class. This is what the teachers say. She won prize in model making competition.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Thanks for watching திருமங்கலம் Alpha TV. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.